Hello friends, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to add base maps to your QGIS project. If you find value in this video, I greatly appreciate if you click subscribe and like. So by beginning, we go to Plugins, Manage Plugins, and we're going to search for QuickMapServices. And we'll go ahead and click Install Plugin. It shouldn't take too long to get this plugged in. Go ahead and hit Close, and we simply come over here to the QuickMapServices toolbar, and we hit the Add. And from here, you simply go down to whichever basemap service you like, and you go and click onto it. Hit again if you want to open OpenStreetMap, standard. It's added to this mapping project, and of course we can just remove these layers. Okay. Also, what we could do is we could go to settings. So if we don't want to show all these options, maybe some of these we just are not going to use, we go over here to settings, visibility. So we could simply hide all, and then we could select, say, Google and OSM and click on Save. So now next time we go to this QuickMapServices Add button, we would just have the Google and the OpenStreetMap to add. So there you go. That's adding base maps to your QGIS project. Thanks so much for watching.